Hi everyone, and welcome to Kids Toy Video Playtime. Today we have an adventure in a galaxy far, far away. Play-Doh can heads are now part of Star Wars action as we go to the mission to Endor. Wow, on the front of the box there is an awesome action scene on the planet Endor with lots of Play-Doh mold action going on with it. So cool. Let's take a look at the back. Here on the back, there is a photo of all of the pieces assembled together and all your can head characters decked out in all their Play-Doh awesomeness. It looks like we have on the top a Play-Doh can head Ewok, then Luke Skywalker as the green can head, and the purple Play-Doh as the powerful AT-ST Walker. All three of the characters look so cool, and they all look like they are ready for some serious Play-Doh Star Wars action. As we flip to the side of the box, here it's showing us all of the pieces the Star Wars Play-Doh set comes with. Wow, the action on Endor seems just too awesome to miss. Well, let's get this box opened up and begin our Play-Doh mission to Endor. Here comes the awesome Star Wars Play-Doh AT-ST Walker. AT-ST stands for All Train Scout Transport. Let's take him out so we can see inside the Scout Trooper's can head. It looks like that there is purple Play-Doh inside. Nice color. This AT-ST Walker also has been called the Chicken Walker for its two hind leg design that resembles a chicken's legs. In between the legs of the AT-ST Walker, there is a green triangular mold maker. The first mold looks like it's some sort of Play-Doh energy pack that perhaps powers up the AT-ST Walker. The next mold looks like it makes the AT-ST Walker's powerful double blaster cannons. Okay, and the last mold on the mold maker looks like it's of an Ewok. So cute! Now let's get this AT-ST Walker back on the ground and take a closer look at it. As you can see, while we turn it around, there are lots of holes and crevices that you can fill up with whatever Play-Doh combinations that you'd like. Change up the Play-Doh colors and get creative. There's no wrong or right way to do it. Just have fun. Okay, this AT-ST Walker is now going to get all Play-Doh powered up as we look at our next can head character. See you in a bit. Next, we have speeding by in his awesome speeder bike, the famous Play-Doh head master Luke Skywalker. This speeder bike is fast and powerful. Luke Skywalker is pulling in on his speeder bike right now. Like all Jedi Masters, Luke Skywalker has his green lightsaber that he always carries with him. Inside the Luke Skywalker can head, we have green Play-Doh we can use to decorate Luke's awesome speeder bike with. This speeder bike is a powerful vehicle that has all sorts of molds on its body. As you can see as we turn it around, there are lots of places where you can fill it up with different colored Play-Doh and decorate it to look really awesome. Pretty cool so far, right? Well, as we pick up the speeder bike, we will see that the back wheel of the speeder bike is a mold maker. The first mold looks like we have some sort of speeder bike power pack that gives it all the driving power. The second mold looks like it's a blaster cannon that you can use to take down any enemies. So awesome! The front wheel is narrow for a reason. This wheel can be used to cut your Play-Doh that you have laid flat on a hard surface to different pieces to help decorate this awesome Star Wars Play-Doh speeder bike. Now this is one Play-Doh mold making machine. Look up high in the sky. It's a bird. No, it's a plane. Nope, it's a furry Ewok coming in on his sky glider. Here he comes to his landing. Whee! Underneath the glider is a Play-Doh can head of an Ewok with orange Play-Doh in it. Ewoks are extremely skilled in forest survival and in primitive technology such as the glider this Ewok is wearing. Ewoks are curious creatures and quick learners and can pick up on advanced technology when they're exposed to it. Underneath the wings of the Ewok glider, it is equipped with all sorts of Play-Doh mold primitive Ewok weapons. These little Ewoks may look cute and helpless, but they are actually quite fearless warriors. Oh look, we have the ATSD walker back, but now with some Play-Doh decorations on it. On one side, there is purple and orange Play-Doh on the leg, and on the other leg, green and orange. I really like the chin-mounted double-blasted cannons in the front that has little balls of Play-Doh in it. At the bottom, we have created a green Play-Doh mold of the blaster cannons. Now that green blaster cannon we just made, let's put it on the ATST walker. Here on the side, on the top will do just fine. The next mold we have is of the energy pack. Let's take the mold and go to the other side of our ATST walker and place it on the top of the other side. This looks so great! I love all the different colored Play-Doh. The last mold is of an Ewok. Here we have a Play-Doh mold of one in orange with purple eyes. The next Ewok mold we have made is all purple with green eyes. And the last Play-Doh mold is a green Ewok with orange eyes. Now to the side of Luke Skywalker's speeder bike, there is a Play-Doh mold of a concussion grenade. Here we made it with green Play-Doh. Now let's flip the speeder bike to the other side to see what molds they have there. On the right of the speeder, there is a mold for a blaster gun. Here we have made a mold of it that we used purple Play-Doh to create it with. On the left side of the speeder, we have a mold of a laser gun. Let's make this a different color than the blaster. How about orange for this one? It looks great! Luke Skywalker's green lightsaber has been covered in green Play-Doh so it can be part of all of the Play-Doh action. You can slide the green lightsaber into a holder on the speeder bike that has the holder on both sides. So cool! Now let's lift the speeder bike to see the wheel that has the two Play-Doh mold maker on it. The first mold is a blaster cannon. Here, we made this with purple Play-Doh. Okay, now we go to the next mold. This mold is an energy pack, and we made it with some orange Play-Doh. Okay, now let's get the bike down so we can decorate our speeder bike with the Play-Doh molds we just created with. First, let's put the cannon blasters on the side of the speeder. There. Now let's turn the speeder to the back end and we will be placing the energy pack that will run this baby. On the other side of the speeder bike, let's put the orange laser gun there for easy access and for any emergencies. Let's put the purple blaster in the back as we will need to be prepared for any attacks from the back. Let's flip the speeder bike to the other side, and let's place the last Play-Doh mold we have. That is the green Play-Doh concussion grenade. Let's put the grenade by his hand where he can be ready to throw them at any time. Now we have our adorable Ewok. Let's take off the sky glider to see the molds on the bottom. Here we have made a Play-Doh mold of a spear with a purple tip and green spear shaft. The next mold we have is of the giant boulder. We have made the boulder from orange Play-Doh. And the last Play-Doh on the sky glider is of the axe. The blade of the axe is purple Play-Doh, and the handle of the axe is green Play-Doh. Okay, now we can get this sky glider back on this Ewok, and we can take the molds we have created and decorate him with them. First, we will place the spear on one side of the Ewok. And then turn him to the other side and put the axe on there. As we turn him to the back, we can put the boulder right on the Ewok's back and strap it right in there tight. Now this Ewok is ready for some Play-Doh battles.
Halt! You're not authorized in here. Set blasters on full.
Wow, the Star Wars Canhead's Mission to Endor Play-Doh set is a blast! Now it's your turn to take these Canhead Ewok, Luke Skywalker, and Scout Trooper on an adventure to a galaxy far, far away. Have fun as you recreate your own Mission to Endor Play-Doh battles with classic Star Wars characters. Send them off into their vehicles into a Play-Doh creative mission in the infinite universe. May the Force be with you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Kids Toy Video Playtime. Bye everyone!